Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Flashbang Dev Log 0. We just got our first proof of concept done, so check it out. This is from the demo course, which is on the history of the present and focuses on the Eastern European history up to 1989 in the first course. So this is the first module of the first course, and modules are like the basic building block of the lessons. And each module has 3 parts. So this is a video, and it's an interactive video. Then after that, we have a post-video review in this review section, and then the assignment of cards to your deck at the end. So as you watch the video, pop-ups appear that will test your comprehension of what you're viewing. So, for instance, it is almost never when a state of things is most detestable that it is smashed, but when, beginning to improve, it permits men to breathe, to reflect. The weight, although less heavy, seems then all the more unbearable. The video pauses, and you have to pick which one is true. And they're not meant to be super hard. They're just meant to make sure that you're paying attention. If you notice on the sidebar here, you get something new every time you answer one of these questions. So this is your loot. And the loot is kind of like if you're playing like an RPG or something, it's like an item you get after battle. They'll follow you around throughout the course, and you can use them as like tools for a variety of things, and your progress on them, your memory of them will be documented over time. And let's just skip to the end real quick, and you can kind of see what it looks like to answer a few more. So as you can see at the end of the video here, we have all of these different loot items, and they're categorized into different, types. So you have quotes, and then you have atoms, which are like the main points of the module, and they're more complex, they have more stuff in them, as well as people and ideas. And once you finish all these, you go to this post-video review phase. And I'm still figuring this part out, but basically the idea is you're going to you've like covered all of these items isolated, and now you need to like knit them together so that you have like a whole view of the entire module. So this is a network graph for now that does this. I'm still figuring out the final form of this, but check it out. You review each part, you take each thing from your loot item, and slowly this network graph will assemble. And you can see there's a progress bar up here. So like as this finishes, this will get to 100. And when that's done, you unlock the card phase. And the cards get added to your spaced repetition system, which basically means you'll be able to remember them forever. It'll adaptively train you on them so that you remember everything really well. And then these little items will be called back in future modules, and they'll all knit together to eventually form like a super big graph of the entire course and all your knowledge in it. So that's V0. More improvements from here, but thanks for checking this out, and I'll see you next time.